because various other openings and courses and attractions will be emerging again in this particular part of the country. Thank you for inviting me on this very day and giving me a chance to interact very briefly, some of my ideas on this very morning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable ideas. May I now request Dr. T. Santikumar Singh, Controller, Manipur University, to please share a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Really today, I feel so privileged to be among you in this very important occasion. Actually, I don't prepare anything about this thing. Actually, I don't have much idea about this particular institute also. So far, from very for the last 10 to 15 years, I heard about this NELIT conducting so many courses for computer courses, and till now we have seen so many advertisements in the paper. So many courses are running here. Even some of the courses, that formal courses, actually I know very well. I mean, since the courses are affiliated to Manipur University, so like MCA courses, MSc IT, and BCA courses, and some other diploma courses also. But now it is very lucky for all the people of the state also, since there comes a specific deemed to be university in our state which will conduct very special courses like this MTech in AI, because this will be a very new field, this AI, and a very important one also. So I feel so happy that NELIT is going to start the course from this year onwards. And from our side, from the Manipur University, especially from the examination section, if the other courses, I think all courses will be continued as it is till the completion of the current courses. After that, I think the university will take up the responsibility for the examination section. So if any help is needed from our Manipur University, we are very much ready to extend our help from our side also. Okay. So with these few words, actually, I don't have much idea about this. What are the other future planning and the other courses that has to be run by this institute. I think many more different courses will be starting running by these courses. And so far, in my opinion, NELIT is doing very well, and I think it will be better in the future time also. And I wish all the best to the faculty members, especially director and the other staffs of this particular institute. And I wish a grand success in future also in running different courses, advanced courses, especially for the technology, engineering and technology base. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Kumanthem Manglem Singh, National Institute of Technology, Manipur.
Good morning, everyone. My respect to all dignitaries, guests, faculty members, and staff, and other invitees. Actually, I was here at NLIT Impal for a long time. I was here for 19 years before I left NLIT Impal. I joined NIT Manipur. I joined here in 1991 actually, and I left NLIT Impal on September 2010. So most of those people who are already here, they are very much known to me. And when I joined here at 1991, the course that was running that time was Diploma in Electronics Engineering. That was the electronics course, 3 years course. Then after that, NLIT Impal start Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering. Again, that is also 3 years course. After that, it starts many other courses like O level, A level, and B level. Before I left, actually, they start MCA courses and BCA course also. These courses and diploma courses are affiliated to Manipur University. It is, for me also, it is very good news that NLIT Impal is a part of the NLIT deemed to be university. And it has, of course, it has actually started MTech courses in AI last year, I think. And this is starting the PhD courses in different areas of computer science and engineering. And many things, since it was previously affiliated to Manipur University, now it has become a separate university. So many things will be available here in terms of budget and other things. And it will be, I think it will be following UGC this thing, rule and regulations also. And many staff and faculty member also is supposed to get the advantage of all those things also. So from my side, since I was previously here, I was very happy, and because it is the first institute from here. The experience so far I have is begin from here. Actually. And after working for 19 years, I left this place. Of course, I used to visit whenever there is some function here. Otherwise, most of the time I am busy at NIT Manipur also. So my best wishes is to all the faculty members and staffs here. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. May I now request Professor N. Basanta Singh, Principal, MIT Manipur, to please share a few words.
Oza Devachandra Singh, Professor W. Chanbabu, Registrar Manipur University, Professor Manglem, Dr. Santi Kumar, and all the distinguished invitees. A very warm morning to everyone present here. I'm happy to be, I feel honored to be invited as special invitees in the occasion of conversion of NLIT as a DIM university. I'm also from electronics background, so I have the privilege of associating with NLIT right from 1993. At that time, it was known as CEDT. I have associated with NLIT through many committees and also as in a group of an institution called IETE. And NELIT has been working in advancing knowledge and the skills in the electronics, IT, and related areas. And I know that NELIT has helped countless number of professionals, and it has also contributed significantly in India's digital transformation. Through various programs and initiative of NELIT, lots of employment, particularly from Manipur, have taken place. And with this new status of a DIM university, now NELIT will have the freedom to design and implement various courses. For example, I know the diploma in electronics and the computer science. For the, I'm just citing an example. When you want to revise the curriculum in the syllabi, it has to come to Manipur University, approved by the Board of School of Engineering and the Academic Council. Now, with this status of a DIM university, you can design on courses, you can approve it. So I mean, that autonomy will be given to you. And with this, there will be responsibility also. With this new status, I am confident that NELIT Imphal will scale new heights, and it will also serve as a hub for innovation, research, and digital empowerment. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. May I now request Sri Alan Maibam, CEO, Lumjing Technology, to please share a few words.
Hello. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. A very warm welcome to all the invitees. Usually, I'm considered like a part of NELIT now. I've been working with NELIT for quite some time, and thanks for inviting me. It's been a pleasure, and in fact, I'm very happy, not just for NELIT to be part of a DIM university, but even for myself also, because I represent what we call as the industry, right? So if you say the industry in IT, the IT industry in Manipur, even though it's in a very nascent and very small stage, it is something that we want to grow. And when we grow into AI and all the new fields that is coming up in, we wanted to be part of that world, you know. So we have always been trying to integrate with the university, and NELIT has probably, you know, they're the only one that have given us the opportunity to kind of integrate with what the industry practices we have done. And some of the courses that we have designed here is also as per our requirement, and this is something that is really helpful. Now, I have a vast experience in IT. I've worked more than like 25 years in IT, starting with top MNCs. I've worked in Microsoft also. So last time, you know, when I was in Oracle, I have visited the Silicon Valley place, and the things that I learned from there is that out there, the universities and industries are very tightly integrated. So the kind of the barrier between the industry and the universities is almost non-existent, because a professor will probably start a company, and then a company guy or an IT guy or industry guy will also go and teach, right? And this is the same practice that I was seen in Taiwan also. So in April last year, I was in Taiwan. Out there, every professor is asked to open like 5 companies. They're like pressurized to open 5 startup companies, right? So this is the kind of integration that I want to see in Manipur. And this can only be possible when we have something like a DIM university, right? When you can design your courses to suit not the requirement of the industry, right? This is very essential, and this is something that I'm looking forward to other universities in Manipur also. And if we can integrate very closely, then we can scale the world, right? So we are ready to conquer the world, me and my other companies in IT, but we need the help from the universities to kind of churn out or give out the good guys, right? And that's why we need to design the course in such a way that it kind of suits the new world order, okay? With that being said, thank you. Thank you for inviting me again. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable and much more important words for the youth of our NELIT Imphal. May I now request Dr. Laishram Prabhakar Singh, Director MIMS, Manipur University, to please share a few words.
Good morning to all of you. We are very happy to hear that NELIT has to be converted to DIM University. So that is a gift of this New Year's 2020-25. Actually, we have a long association with this NELIT because many of our NELIT students are opting our management paper as a CBCS course, and we reserve all the seats for all the students of MCA and MSc IT in our MIMS. Means we give the preference to the students of the NELIT. So, but on the other hand, we will lose the opportunity to interact with the students of the NELIT after converting to the university status, because the students will not come to our MIMS after some years. But still, we have 1 year, means one semester, that is 4 semesters, and nearly 50 seats are reserved for you students. Actually, as a person from IT, I had a long association with the NELIT. So I visited the NELIT many times as an external expert in the computer science. So many of our friends are also working in NELIT. And our regional director, Jayanta, happened to be my friend. So, but when we work in the university systems, we have to focus how to improve the university systems. So anyway, NELIT has enough faculty members so that NELIT can produce the, say, talented students from these institutions which may work in different companies across the world. And this is another challenge for university, means our Manipur University, because we have another competitors here. We have another competitors because this university we are going to produce, say MCA, MACIT, definitely it will compete the MCA and MACIT of our Manipur University. That is good. That is good. So, on the other side, we have to also be ready to compete with the NILIT. But when we work in the university systems, we have to follow some rules and regulations governed by the UGC or maybe AICTE or maybe Minister of Higher Education. Anyway, we are ready to help in any regards. Say, for example, in related to the examination systems, our controller, my friend Santikumar already mentioned. Because examination is an ongoing process. So before the conversion to this DIM university, I think NILIT doesn't have any headache about the examination systems. Now, the person who is going to take the charge of the control will understand the headache of the examination systems. And we should prepare for that. We should prepare for that. That is another challenge of these institutions. Whenever this institution needs the help from our controller, the controller is ready to help. Not only in the field of the, say, examinations, if you need some help from our faculty members, we are ready to come here. Invite some of the faculty members for some topic, for interchange of faculty members. That is also required. Because the faculty members working in the university having more than 30 years of experience. It doesn't mean that all the faculty members are good or better than the faculty of NILIT. We can have some exchange program also, maybe students, maybe faculty exchange program, so that we can grow together. And I think NILIT will do best, and particularly in the field of the computer science. But the computer science is a field where there is so many changes, and we have to work hard to meet the challenges of the industry people. Say, Elaine already mentioned about the, say, industry institute partnership here. But unluckily or unfortunately, we don't have much industry in our state. But in the field of the computer science, we can do so many things sitting inside a small room with one laptop can control the whole world also. It is possible nowadays. So our students are very, very talented in the field of the computer science. So we can do something for our state by doing something or by, say, working hard so that the other state or other country understand our Manipur. Oh, Manipur is a land of computers, a land of technology like this. Like Manipur is a powerhouse of, say, game. Like that, Manipur should be a powerhouse of information technology. So, with this word, I wish NILIT, and I'm ready to help in any any case from our institute. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enthusiastic and supportive word which you have given right now. May I now request Dr. Lokrakpam Marin Singh to please share a few words. He is the HOD ECE MTU.
A very warm morning to all of you, respected dignitaries. In fact, I was really hesitant to talk because I have lots of my professors here sitting, but I'll share some of my thoughts with this. So it's a very happy occasion for NALID in this inaugural function of a deemed to be university. So MTU is also associated with NALID. We are working on a project together on the DOA project that you saw earlier. So the thing that I wanted to highlight also from the last slide that Devchandra sir shared is the idea of collaboration among institutes and industries. That is, I think, very necessary. We have lots of problems that we can solve using technology, right? And it's difficult for a single institute or a single entity to solve problems at a very large scale, be it state or a northeast region and so on. So we need collaboration. We need problem statement identifying of problems and build our collaborate and share our expertise in all these aspects, right? We have growing opportunities in the field of AI, big data, semiconductors, and so on, which government of India is really keen to work on. So I feel that we should collaborate and grab this opportunity, also solve problems based on this. And on this occasion, I wish all the best to NALID so that the coming courses are executed to the best of capacity, and we have skill, train and skill the youth of this state as much as possible. With these words, I'll conclude. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Marin, for your inspiring and visionary words. So before we join online to Guwahati, we'd like to take this time to have some refreshment. So all are requested to wait before as we serve the refreshment.
तिनसुकिया आ रही है आवाज? हेलो तिनसुकिया हाँ तिनसुकिया बोलिए।
ठीक है, डाउनलोडिंग और अपलोडिंग
ठीक है, तो आज ना चेक करके रखते हैं प्लीज।
हेलो तिनसुकिया आवाज आ रही है? ओके
innovation.
Today we
कोकराझार कोकराझार सुन पा रहे हैं आप? कोकराझार रेडियो स्टेशन कोकराझार रेडियो स्टेशन आपको आवाज आ रही है यहाँ से? तो प्रोग्राम जाए तो कैसे पता?
हेलो more question हेलो
आ रही है आपके बात कोकराझार क्या
बोला था आवाज आएगी आप? कोकराझार रेडियो स्टेशन
बोल रहे हैं 10 मिनट में
कोकराझार कैन यू हियर मी?
आ रही है
हेलो जय जी बात हाँ
जी बताइए कोकराझार
हाँ
दिल्ली से आपकी हमारी ऑडियो क्लियर है आपको?
हाँ जी ऑडियो क्लियर है
ठीक है आप अब चेंज मत कीजिएगा सेटअप में आप ऐसे ही रखिएगा हमारी ऑडियो आपको आनी चाहिए
जी, जी।
और आपकी आनी चाहिए ठीक है थैंक यू
ओके जी थैंक यू
किसी भी